everyone, this is English Tutor Hub official channel and welcome. In today's video, we're gonna be looking at as me or as I, a detailed answer. Let's dive in. As me or as I, number 1, he is as good as me. Number 2, he is as good as I, or he is as good as am. If you're confused about expressions as me or as I, as well as me or I, as good as me or I, as old as me or I, as beautiful as her or she, then it's no surprise, as there are many people out there to confuse you in this regard. Watch the entire video to clearly understand which out of the two expressions, as good as me and as good as I, is grammatically correct. Literary works containing as me. Reshma Ramesh, a South Indian bilingual poetess, who wrote a poem in English with the title As Beautiful as Me, which she ends with the line, I am one of a kind. As beautiful as me, where she uses an object pronoun after as in as beautiful as me. Michael Carney directed a Christian drama film based on the 2006 book co-authored by Hall and Moore with Lynn Vincent with the name Same Kind of Different as Me, where the name of the movie contains us and the object pronoun me after it. There are many influential dramas, poems, and essays which use the expression as me, which lead you to a great level of perplexity, puzzlement, and confusion about the expression which is under discussion, and as a result, raise the question whether as me or as I is grammatically correct. To completely understand which out of the two expressions, as me and as I, is grammatically accurate, you need to take one step back and learn the different meanings and uses of the word as. Different uses and meanings of as. The word as basically has three grammatical categories. That is, it can perform three grammatical roles. It acts three different ways. Number 1, as an adverb. Number 2, as a preposition. Number 3, as a conjunction. As an adverb. The word as an adverb is used in a comparison to show the extent or degree of something, some quality either before an adjective or an adverb. For example, number 1, he can run as fast as she can. The first as is an adverb. Number 2, he is as good as he is. The first as is an adverb. As a preposition. The word as a preposition is used to show the position or function or character of someone or something. For example, number 1, John works as a waiter. John works as a waiter. Number 2, I mean it as a joke. I mean it as a joke. B, the word as a preposition is also used to mean during the time of being something. For example, as a child, I had many superstitious beliefs. As a child, I had many superstitious beliefs. As a conjunction. The word as a conjunction is used to mean because. For example, as he was ill, he didn't attend the class. As he was ill, he didn't attend the class. He can't go now as he's busy. He can't go now as he's busy. B, the word as a conjunction is also used in the sense during the time when. For example, I noticed John as he was going to the market. We'll learn more as we read more. C, the word as a conjunction is also used to mean the same way or manner that something takes place or is done. For example, you must do as I say. It's done as I thought. Now that you've clearly understood the different uses and meanings of the word as, it's that you arrive at a conclusive judgment about the expression as me or as I. As pretty as me or I, and as good as me or I. As a conjunction. In all of the below given phrases or expressions, we find two as, where the first one in red, which is before an adverb or adjective, is an adverb, whereas the second one in blue, which is before the personal pronouns, is a conjunction. As well as me. As well as me. As good as me. As good as me. As old as me or I. As old as me or I. As pretty as me or I. As pretty as me or I. As beautiful as her or she. As beautiful as her or she. As beautiful as you. As beautiful as you. He is as good as me or I. He is as good as me or I. Now that we know that the second as before the personal pronouns in the above mentioned expressions is a conjunction, and that after a conjunction we use a clause, part of a sentence which contains a subject and predicate, and that no object pronoun is used after a conjunction. It's proven that all the structures containing as me are grammatically incorrect. So, all the expressions containing as me, such as good as me, as well as me, as old as me, as pretty as me, as beautiful as me, as nice as me, as fast as me, as quick as me, as great as me, are grammatically wrong. Now, the above-mentioned phrases or expressions can be corrected the following way. The following sentences containing as I are grammatically correct. Example, he writes as well as I do. He writes as well as I. John is as good as I am. John is as good as I am. She is as old as I am. She is as old as I am. Sophia is as pretty as I. Sophia is as pretty as I am. Myra is as beautiful as I am. Myra is as beautiful as I am. I'm as beautiful as you are. I'm as beautiful as you are. He is as good as I am. He is as good as I am. Fox as me or as I. Fox is frequently asked questions. As me or as I. Is it as old as me or I am? Is it as old as me or I am? The correct phrase is as old as I am. As good as me is grammatically wrong. Is it he as fast as me or I? Is it he as fast as me or I? The correct sentence is he is as fast as I. He is as fast as me is grammatically incorrect. As good as me or I grammar. In grammar, as good as me is incorrect. The correct expression is as good as I. As good as I, not as good as me, because it contains the conjunction as, which requires the subject pronoun I. As good as me or I meaning. The phrase as good as me or I means equal to me in being good. However, only the phrase as good as I is correct and not as good as me. Difference between as good as me and as good as I. The main difference between as good as me and as good as I is that as good as I is grammatically correct and as good as me is not correct. Grammar rules for as good as me versus as good as I. As good as me is not grammatically correct, while as good as I is grammatically correct, because the expressions as good as me and as good as I contain two as. The first one, which is before good, is an adverb, while the second one, which is before the personal pronouns me or I, is a conjunction. So the grammar rule is that a conjunction introduces a clause, part of a sentence containing a subject and predicate. So only as I am is correct grammatically. Examples of as good as I in sentences. A. He is as handsome as I am. Sophia is as good as her mother. C. John is as good as I. D. She is as good as I. E. Veronica is as good as I. When to use as good as me versus as good as I? You can use the phrase as good as I when you want to compare someone or something with someone or something else in the quality of being good, as in Sophia is as good as her friend is. Correct usage of as good as me versus as good as I. The correct usage is as good as I because the word as before I is a conjunction which introduces the second element in a comparison. So the correct usage is he is as good as I am. Comparing as good as me and as good as I. When comparing two persons or things, we use as good as I. As good as me is not grammatically correct. As good as me versus as good as I, which is correct? Out of the two expressions, as good as me and as good as I, only as good as I is correct grammatically. When to use me or I examples? We use the personal pronoun me in objective case when there's some transitive verb which requires an object, as in, he told me that he would go to the market. On the other hand, we use the personal pronoun I in subjective case when there's a verb which requires a subject, as in, I told him that I would go to the market. So, this video ends here about as me or as I, a detailed answer. Thanks for watching.